Good evening. I'm feeling great. What about your daily routine today? Whatever the things you have done, you have you could say something about the spending of the day today. How did you get up? When did you get up? After getting up, what are the things you do usually? Then after next, what's your plan? What's your habit? What is your daily habit? Right? Tell me some habits that you follow every time, whatever it may be, come what may, you just follow your habit. What are the habits you follow? Heavy rain or a bit? It was not that much. Rain is really nice environment creating. And rain creates nice environment where you can yearn to take food, that means hospos and papar and some fries, or you can say something that. Uh-huh. Yeah, that's also a reason. But one thing is that why are you yearning to go park? Why are not in the this one in the school or what you are planning today? What was your planning for today? Hmm. 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 Then okay. Hmm. Okay. So what was in your lunch? What was in your breakfast? What was in your dinner? Tell me something about that. Fast aloo paratha and liquid, any liquid milk or anything. Okay, you take tea or coffee or milk. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Next, in lunch, what was the ingredients? What were the ingredients in food item? Only aloo paratha. In breakfast also, in lunch also. Why? Hmm. Hmm. Didn't get time to take your breakfast. That's why in the lunch you have taken the same, is it? Why didn't you get time? What happened? How did you, when did you got up? Then, when do you get to sleep? When do you go off to bed? Oh my God. I think in that time everybody sleeps and just you read. Hmm. Okay. Next, what was your dinner is over or it is not till up to now? Oh, okay. Do you like it? Oh yes, yes. That's good. That's good. That's everybody likes. And do you love samosa? Samosa. Oh, and samosa with chutney or without chutney? Yeah. Sometimes with chutney, and sometimes without chutney, it tastes makes difference. Green chutney, how it is made? It which in which leaf? By which leaf? Kari pata. Then okay. Dhania chutney. Oh yeah, it's also coriander. Coriander chutney. It's really very tasty. Coriander chutney. Yeah, yeah. And in the restaurant, it is being served the coriander chutney, or at home you are taking. Hmm. Okay, okay. And do you quarrel with your brother sometimes, or do you just uh, do something that he doesn't like, or does he do something that you don't like that happens, and you are complaining to mother, like that happens? Ah, chow mein you don't like. How is it that? You should take the taste of chow mein. It's really delicious, delicious. You can take it with chutney, with vegetables, with egg, with something else. Pickles also you can take. That's really so tasty. Yeah, it's a different taste is a very different thing. It doesn't suit to everyone. Sometimes without how the way you told me that shared your experience about without chutney you like samosa, and that chutney, if that chutney is green chutney, then you like most. And sometimes you can see that people are loving chutney, samosa with chutney, and that is also by this one, red chutney, tomato chutney, I think this is called, I think that is. That's the thing. Yeah, I do like chutney. I do like chutney with samosa. With samosa, I do like it. So, Karan, welcome in the session. What happened yesterday? You were not there in the session. Okay, I can understand. So now you are okay? Okay, that's great, dear. That's great. So, do you like samosa, Karan? So, with chutney or without chutney? Shikha likes with chutney, and that is to be on also in green chutney. So, what's your preference? Yeah, I told now only that just now I shared with her that taste varies man to man. Some people like green, some people like red, some people like without. That's the thing. Okay, yeah. If samosa is really hot samosa, that means warm. It's now it is made, and just now it is made, and then you can't. You don't want to. You will not be willing to take any chutney or that. If that is not made in front of your eyes, and just after 1 hour, 2 hour, you would like to take chutney with that. That's what I have experienced. I don't know what about others, but I experienced that this is the thing happens. You have to answer me your three good habits, and again another habits that are not good, but you want to dispel them, and you are trying for that. Same question is for Shikha. And if you want to write this question answer, you can write. with using vocabularies, and I will give you 5 minutes. Please write down and then let us work on that again. Okay? Where is your good habits? Where are your good habits? Just send it. In your sharing experience, you have used only two, I think. Vocabulary should be there. Vocabularies are main part to be used. It should be your habit to use vocabulary. Sunday, 2, 3 Sundays are just gone away without making videos. So please make a video, and that is to be done with using vocabularies. And vocabulary should be your habit. And tomorrow there will be group discussion, tongue twisters, and question answer session. And grammar also I have to keep it up, because in the grammar session many time there is a gap has been done in the grammar session. So tomorrow possibly I can take the grammar session in the first step. So please come, and see you tomorrow. Thank you.